Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our new video. This video is based on remaining parts of QP 12 May June 2024. We have to write this question correct to two significant figures. So this is correct to two significant figures. We have to write it up to 4 6. So 6 could be changed if the digit after 6 is 5 or greater. So digit after 6 is less than 5, which is 2. So by removing 2, 6 remains 6. So it is correct to two significant figures is 0.046. Next question is we have to shade the region A union B. Union means all elements together. So elements of A and B all together are shown through this shading. So A union B is shading with red color. This has been done. Next is factorization. Question 14. We have to factorize 20x minus 90x square. We can see that 10x can be taken common for 20. So 2 is left. 10x taken common from 9x square. 9x remains. So after taking 10x common in the bracket 2 minus x, if we expand, we will get 20x minus 90x square. So this is factorized form. Moving to the next question. And the next question, we have to describe the type of correlation between the speed of a runner and time taken to complete the race. Okay, as the runner keeps running, time increases, but his speed will decrease. So it is negative correlation. Next is question number 16. A circle has area. Area is given and we find the circumference of the circle. Give your answer in terms of pi. So how we calculate? Area of circle is 36 pi, which is given. We know area of circle formula. It is pi r square. We keep it equal to 36 pi. 36 can be written as 6 square. Pi cancels pi. So r square equal to 6 square means r is equal to 6. Now we have to calculate circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Pi has to be pi because we have to give answer in the pi form. The radius is 6 as we found. So this answer becomes 12 pi. So circumference of this circle whose area was 36 pi centimeter square is 12 pi. Moving to its next part, it is given that this circle having radius 6, we just calculated. It is given that it is base of the cylinder with height h. Volume is given, we have to find height. So volume is pi r square h. So volume is given, which is 540 pi equal to pi r. R is 6 square h. So now we shift this 6 square 36 pi to left hand side. So h is equal to 540 pi by 36 pi. Pi cancels pi. We now factorize them as prime factorization. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 multiplied by 6 54. 54 multiplied by 10 is 540. Divided by 36 is 2. 3 multiplied by 3 9. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. So this is just factorized. Both 3 from numerator and denominator cancelled. 2 2's 4, 3 2's 6, and 2 cancels 10 by 5. So final form here we have h is equal to 15. Height of this cylinder is 15 centimeters. Now the next part is we have to write 174,000. 1,74,000 in standard form. So it is, we have to bring decimal from right side after the last 0 to after 1. So how many digits we have to move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So we write 1.74 into 10 raised to the power 5 and we write it in the place where answer has to be written. Moving to the next question, 18. Here we are asked to calculate x, the angle. We can see that a right angle triangle is there. We can define trigonometric ratio. So suitable here, which brings 8.5 and 14, and x in discussion is cos. So cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 8.5, hypotenuse is 14. By calculating and taking cos to right hand side becomes cos inverse of 8.5 by 14, and using calculator to calculate it, we get the value of this. Scientific calculator will be required, and it is allowed also allowed in this paper. It is paper core 1, IGCSE 0580, May June 2024 paper is being solved. So the answer of cos inverse of 8.5 by 14 is 52.61 degree. So angle is calculated. We need to write this in the place where answer has to be written. We need to follow all rules and instructions. We have to show compliance with all instructions given in the beginning of the paper also. So here it is said that without using calculator, work out this 2 whole 1 by 4 divided by 1 whole 7 by 4, 7 by 8. So its division, we have to convert them into improper. 4 multiplied by 2, 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. And second is 8 ones are 8 plus 7, 15 by 8. Now it is 9 by 4, and we convert division into multiplication, and fraction inverse becomes 8 by 15. 4 cancels 8 by 2. 3 cancels 9 by 3, and 2 cancels 3 cancels 15 by 5. So 6 by 5 can also be transformed into mixed fraction. That would be better. Moving to next question, question number 20. Expand and simplify. So x multiplies with by x minus 7 and minus 4 multiplied by x minus 7. So by distributing them, x square minus 7x minus 4x minus plus 28. And this finally takes the form x square minus 7 minus 4 will be minus 11x plus 24. So this has been factorized. Next is here exponential form. In this exponential form, we have to find the unknown x here. So it is written 5 power 7 divided by 5 power x. We write them in fraction. Right hand side 5 power 3 is written. So we know that when bases divide, power gets subtracted. So we write 5 once and write 7 minus x equal to 5 power 3. Then we can equate powers. Both bases are 5 on both sides, and 5 power 7 minus x and the other 5 power 3, they are written equal. And when we bring 3 on left side, 7 minus 4 is 3 is done, and x value becomes 4. Next to it is question 22. It is written that the length L meters of a piece of material is 4.5 meters. Correct to nearest 10 centimeters. Complete the statement. We have to write lower and upper bound. So here we convert these meters into centimeters by multiplying by 100. So they become 450 centimeters. So this is correct to nearest centimeter. So we have to add and divide 10 by 2. The given value, which is nearest to 10 centimeters written, those 10 we have to convert that into 5. So by 2 and plus 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 means 5. So 450 minus 5 is 445, and 450 plus 5 is 455. So lower bound is 445, upper bound is 455. So lower bound is 4.45 and upper bound is 4.55. Now here is next question. Next question is 23. It is universal set is given which is natural numbers up to 12. So we can enlist these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So set S is given here 1, 4, 7, 10. Set T is given here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And we are asked to complete the Venn diagram. So we have to write common elements in the common part, which is 1 is common in both S and T, so it is written in the middle. 4 is not common, and it is the element of set S, so written exclusively in S. So 7 is common, written in the middle. 10 is already written there, so 4 elements of set S are completed. So what is left? 1 of the set T is written the common, 7 is also written, 3, 5, 9, 11 must be written exclusively in set T, not in the common part. And is there anything left here. So next is question 24. It says that in a class of 30 students, 13 travel to school by bus. There are 570 students in school. Find the expected number of students and the school who travel by bus. So we just find 30 by 13 by 30. This is the ratio of the class, right? Ratio of the class is 13 students out of 30. So this we will simply multiply by 570, which is the total strength. So this is the ratio, 13 by 30 is the ratio, and that will be multiplied by 570, 0 cancels 0, 3 divides 57 by 19, 3 multiplied by 19 are multiplied, 19 multiplied by 357, 7 here, 5 carry, 19 ones 19 plus 5, 2, 4, so 24, 247, 247 students travel by bus in the whole school out of 570. Moving to the next question, 24. So this is the last question. So let's look there what is asked in it. The diagram shows flagpole BD, right, held by rope AD and CD. So in the middle we can see flagpole, and AD CD are siding. They are ropes anchoring it to the ground. ABC is a straight line, and angle ABD is 90. AD is 21.2, AB is 16.5 meters, and angle BCD is 48. Show that the height of the flagpole BD is 13.3. So how can we show? As ABD is right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem on it, where hypotenuse is given and the base is given. So obviously from hypotenuse square we subtract base square to find BD. Hypotenuse is 21.2 square, so BD square is equal to 21.2 square minus 16.5 square. By using calculator and calculating it, we get its value. Its value is 177.19, and by taking square root, BD square becomes BD. It is 13.3112734, and it continues. So BD is equal to BD correct to one decimal place is 13.3. And the next part we have to evaluate. We need to work on BCD triangle. Here we have to find, now BD is calculated. BD is 13.3. So we have to calculate CD. BD is calculated, so we define sine. CD is required, right? So we define CD is required and BD is given. So sine 48 is 13.3 by hypotenuse CD. So CD is equal to 13.3 by sine 48. So after that, using calculator, we found the value of 13.3 by sine 48 is equal to 17.9. So CD is 17.9, and it is done. Thank you so much, viewers, for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video. Even you can criticize this video. Thank you so much for watching it. You have been wonderful audience, those who love mathematics. That is why you watch it, and truthful people around the globe are the ones who study mathematics and do research on it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and appreciate us. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.